How to create Regions bank account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open up a web browser and go to regions.com. Then you can click on login if you already have an account. If you don't, you can find the option of open an account at the top. So click on that option. Once you do here, you can choose whichever plan is best for you. Now we can begin the process of creating a new bank account. For this, you need the following things. You would require email address, social security number, and personal identification. Now select if you are an existing customer or a new customer. I'm going to select new customer. Then you will have to enter the contact information such as first name, last name, email address. Then select your phone number type, whether it's mobile or home, and then enter it. After entering your phone number, scroll down and click on the next button. Then for the next step, you will have to enter your social security number, date of birth, and your employment status. Then select if you are a student or not. As per the answer you give, you will have to fill up the details and then you will have to enter your address as well. Now, if you have a promo code, you can enter that, but it's optional. And here the banker ID is also optional. After entering all the information, click on the next option. And after verifying your information, you will successfully create a new Regions bank account. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.